All right, I got camp set up and not a moment too soon. It's getting dark. With the rocks behind the fire and the canvas behind me, this is really toasty, which is good because it's gotten chilly outside. I can see my breath. I knew I'd be getting to this spot kind of late, so I packed a pretty simple meal. Got some cured salami, and I got some smoked salmon and pilot bread. I caught some silver salmon a couple weeks ago and I smoked them up, and then I mixed the smoked salmon in with brie, honey, walnuts, and garlic. For dessert, I have chocolate-covered macadamia nuts.